Today's video is about police instant karma and convenient cop. Remember to drive safely and always follow the rules of the road. As always, there's a bonus video at the end. Driver who tried to overtake tractor on the wrong side of the roundabout, pulled by unmarked BMW X5 police car.
Oh dear. Oh, look at me.
Speeder caught 80 plus in 40 kilometers per H zone, Toronto. Speeder decides to floor it on the green and gets the officer's attention that's waiting at the intersection to go the other way. This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video. Nevada Highway Patrol stopping a speeder on Highway 95 North, just north of Las Vegas. Dorchester County skyline. There's a van driving erratically in front of me. I'm giving them distance. Speed limit is 55 and I have cruise lock. Truck appears out of nowhere, passing the car behind me, and then myself. Instant karma ensures. Someone dies on this road every month in this spot, pulling the same stunt. It's a blind hill turn.
I would stay pulled over just in case.
Yeah.
I don't think he's coming for you.
Yeah, he's going for that jackass.
Scared me.
I'm glad they pulled that fucker over.
I've never seen such karma.
Jacksonville cutoff in Sherwood, Pulaski County. The red sedan was following the SUV too closely, and Sherwood police stopped it. Elizabethtown, North Carolina. Caught a loud black truck that did not want to wait for a slow people. And missed the karma cop hiding in the gas station a bit down the road. First time with my new dash cam that I just installed 3 days prior. Driver in a pickup cut in front of us without signaling. Got honked at. Did it a second time, got honked at and pulled over by a police patrol car she clearly didn't realize was a police car. All to the delight of the kids, and me, to be honest.
What is he doing?
I appreciate the spirit.
I love karma. She's not pulling over.
Oh, she's fixing to.
Not that loud. I love karma. Eat it. We got that on dash cam. Is he gonna pull you over now?
I don't think so.
Dad, did you save that on dash cam?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Dad,
And the bonus video, Pedal PD runs red light. How often do you see instant karma on the road? Write in the comments and then send us your video.